What's up, guys? Rhett here, sitting out on my back porch in Nashville. It's beautiful, about 85 degrees today. Sitting out here just doing some work, just doing some reading, and I was thinking about all of you. And what I was thinking about is, as the temperature is getting warmer and everything's heating up, so is the market. And if you're not buying and you're not adding rentals to your portfolio, you are getting left behind. Stop procrastinating. Stop putting it off. Let's go. What are you guys waiting for? Shoot me an email. My email's in the description. Let's get you into the coaching program. Let's get this thing started. What are you waiting for? You have all the tools to be able to do this. Come on, I'm waiting for you. Don't put this off any longer. You guys are gonna blink and it's gonna be 5 years down the line and 10 years down the line, and you're gonna say, oh, I should have started 5 years ago. I should have started 10 years ago. The reality is, once we get one, they're just gonna keep coming, okay? The hardest one to get is the first one, because you have to make the commitment to yourselves to do it. Get off your butts. You're getting left behind. Shoot me an email. Let's get this thing started. Let's hope I hear from you soon. See ya.